can you sing the Annie song?
No, I'm not singing one about Camwood.
Oh, but I think Nana and Papa would like to hear the Annie song.
Okay. I'll let Cersei, let me do my accordion, Cersei.
Okay, sing your Annie song.
Tomorrow, I love you. Tomorrow, I know
Look at the camera.
you're only the day away. Tomorrow, I love you. Tomorrow, you're only a day away.
Yay! Good job!
Another.
Okay, how
Would like a song about cameras, Mom?
Sure, sing a song about cameras. But you have to look at the camera when you sing, though. Piper. Can you look at the camera when you sing?
Song about cameras. What? On the windshield, and then I will play with it and make a sandcastle.
What are you doing?
I'm trying to make a sandcastle.
With your recorder? Is that how you make a sandcastle?
Yeah.
Okay. Can you sing Twinkle Twinkle Little Star for Nana and Papa?
I will get on the stage.
You have to look at the camera, though.
Oh.